Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have Brenda with me. She's one of the sisters that I do. They come together. It's so fun. Okay, Brenda we've done her in asymmetrical. We've done her a lot of different ways, haven't we? So what we are going to do is we're going to start growing this top out so it's more, I wouldn't say one length. I don't want to go one length with her, but where this is shorter layers, we are going to start growing this out to come with the length here. And then what we're going to do is more of kind of an A-line, so it's stacked a little bit. So yeah, we are going to start back here and take the back off right here. All right. And then we're going to take from the ear, going to take this, comb this away. We're going to hold this tight to the nape area because she likes this short. So we don't like to have that grow too much. So we just keep it up here. They come like once a month to get their hair done. Once every 4 to 5 weeks. It's usually around 4, sometimes 5, depending on the week. Okay, so you can see I started in the middle. Went this side and then to this side, okay? Then we're gonna take another section. Same thing, we're just trimming this. Okay, and right here. Yeah, it's so fun. Brenda and her sisters had found me on my YouTube channel. And so, gosh, they've been coming for years now. And it's so, so fun. They're so sweet. They always support me through all my kids' weddings and babies and all the things. They're just so darn sweet. They are great, fun clients. I was telling them when I did Darlene's video that we just love to have fun. We're usually laughing in here, aren't we? We have a good old time. Okay, and then this side, same thing. So you can see that I'm just coming down from this top. I'm just trimming those layers because we are going to grow those layers out. So, some people think that when you're growing out that you don't need to trim, you just let it grow, but very, very important to see. Just take those little ends off and it will make the biggest difference. Okay, so this side, you doing good? Mm-hmm. Okay,
yeah,
sweet.
Great.
Okay, sweet. Just trimming those. We're gonna trim this side. Yeah, I was glad that Brenda had mentioned the top through this area because you can see that there's these shorter layers coming down in, which is fine with this length, but we kind of want that to kind of fill out through here. So that's why we're growing these layers out. So when we do style it, there's more length through this area. Okay, and then of course we love texturizing. Yeah, it's fun to have clients that have had texturizing. I'm bringing it up a lot because I have a lot of questions about texturizing. And I think a lot of people aren't used to it, or they look at it and think, why would you do that? Why would you take all that hair out? Or they have thin, fine hair. It really is huge. And my clients, when they don't have it, their hair it hangs more. It doesn't have as much body. It's harder to style. It just kind of plops down. So what the texture does is like when you do this, it will help it stem because there's shorter hairs underneath. Like I've said before, obviously, if it's too somebody has too thin and fine of hair, you're not going to take a lot. And there are a couple of my clients that I don't do, or I do it every like fourth time, because they just don't have enough hair. But most people have enough hair, trust me. And my mom, she always used to like freak out about it. And she would be like, wait, I don't know if I like that. And then I'm like, if you want it to hold and stay in, then you really need to have it. And it helps. It definitely helps. Okay, so we are going to dry this down in the back. Yeah, it's been fun to watch her grow her asymmetrical out too. But it definitely is important that you get it shaped while growing out. And then that way, it doesn't bug you. You can grow it out and it works, huh? Because there was never a time that you really was like, I can't handle this.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
So now that it's about 80% dry, we're coming down through this jar. Just drying it out and chip off dry. Okay. So fun. The sisters usually go to lunch every time they come down.
Yeah.
So I'm always asking them, yeah, they're going to lunch, all the fun things. Okay, as soon as we're done, we're going to double check the sides and kind of trim this into these layers. We're going to look and see, Brenda, like how this top is if you're sodding. Okay. Yeah. And if we need to bring up your sod, if it's you that we have to drill out, then of course you're always supposed to be. You're like, yeah, just see whatever. You're whatever. I love it. So sweet.
And then
Jane, come on this side so I can get Jared. Where are you going to lunch, Brenda? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know yet.
I haven't thought about that.
and
It gets here. I know. Did you ever go out to the new Bordeaux?
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, good.
It was cool.
Good. That's awesome.
It was.
Oh, you think this is not?
yeah. Well, no, not. Did they end up opening that then?
don't
The
know.
restaurant?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember if I know it was coming soon, so I can't remember. But if so, then I need to go because
Yeah.
I love to go out and eat.
Yeah.
And one of my hobbies.
Who wants?
Yeah, that's right. Not me. Okay, I'm just going to come through this area. We're going to just flat iron this, and then I'm going to come through and I'm going to check her sides, and then we're going to trim those sides. And So this is what I'm talking about is these layers. We're just going to grow these out. So it'll kind of be fun. We'll just kind of keep doing videos on Brenda here and there to kind of show you the process of the growing out the layers. Okay, I'm going to turn her to the mirror because I want to see. You like?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Good, good, good. Okay, so that's about right. We're just going to trim these. And yep, that is the best part. Like when we're going north or whatever, up shopping or whatever, we're always like, where are we going to eat? First thing, like, where are we going to eat? What are we going to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to make sure. Okay, we've got those sides even and trimmed. Now I'm going to take a little bit of paste just because I want to separate her layers a little bit. Oh, that went flying. There we go. You can leave it soft if you want. You can add paste to it. We like paste just to show off these layers. It just separates, it helps hold. It's actually crazy how much hold it does have. I actually love it for hold. All right, little sweetie, let's get you back combed a little bit. She likes a little bit of volume. Back comb a little and then spray. I love to spray where I back comb. That always helps it stay in. Well, when the video is done, we'll have to decide where you're going to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to just turn her and make sure. Okay, what do you think?
I love it.
Okay,
It's
good.
cute. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thanks for letting us video. It's fun. It's fun. Okay, you guys, this is Brenda's cute A-line. Like I said, we're growing out these short layers up here. And I guess I could explain why. So we had kept the sides long and she had kept it really like spiky in front up top. And so we're growing that out. So that's why this is shorter than the rest. I thought I'd explain that. That's what we're doing. So anyway, okay, thank you, Brenda, you're darling. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will chat next time. Thank you. See ya.